write the sentence. Jai finished his homework so he can play now. Alicia wants to buy a new dress but she lost her money. Here conjunction words are given. We have to choose from here only. Mika will have to hurry but he will be late for school. This all ನಾನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. You also use it. This only conjunction words. Conjunctions are the two types: coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions. Okay, sir is the coordinating conjunctions ನಲ್ಲಿ for, and, not, but, or. These are the coordinating conjunctions. Coordinating conjunctions you normally hear under the conjunctions in the following sentence. ಈಗ ನಮಗೆ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. We just what to do here, we have to underline the conjunctions. Rani or Jack will be bring the paint brushes tomorrow. Or are the conjunction word. Nancy went to the party and she enjoyed herself. And is the conjunction word. And Ria tried to reach the station early, but is the conjunction word. He was late due to the traffic. Sarah likes to feed her dog for it makes her happy. For is the conjunction word. Deep does not singing, nor does he draw. Nor is the conjunction words. Here in other meaning, conjunction words are the if you have two sentences, they joining two sentences. ಈಗ ನೀವು two sentence ಬರೀತೀರಿ. I have pencil but I am not having eraser ಅಂತ ಎರಡು ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ I have pencil I am not having eraser ಅಂತ ಈ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬರೀಬೇಕು ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ನಾವು conjunction words but ಅಂತ ಯೂಸ್ ಈ conjunction words ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗಿ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬಹುದು. ಆ ಟೂ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಗೆ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ, ಆ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು conjunction words ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. Okay, here we fill in the blank with the suitable conjunction and complete the sentence given below. This is the homework for you. One is done for you, one only I did for you. She tried to catch the butterfly but it fly away. These are the types of conjunction. You have to use this in the fill in the blanks. Choose the correct conjunctions in each of the sentence. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಜಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸೆಂಟೆನ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಚ್ ಆಗೋ ಥರ ಕಂಜಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಜಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಗಿವನ್ ಟೂ ಕಂಜಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ವರ್ಡ್ಸ್. ದೇ ವಾಂಟೆಡ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ Colosseum. They went to Rome. So they went to Rome. Okay. Ram ate an apple. He was hungry. For he was hungry. There was no storm on the coast. The fisherman refused to go to the sea. But the fisherman refused to go to the sea. Krishna knew the answer to the question. Krishna and Krish. Okay. He wore a jacket. He got wet. He wore a jacket yet he got wet. ಅಂದ್ರೂ ಆ ಜಾಕೆಟ್ ಇಂದನೂ ಅವಳು ನೆಂದು ಹೋಯಿತು ಅಂತ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್